In a few cities across the nation, you cannot escape them. Sometimes there are dozens, sometimes hundreds. Their mission? You decide. That's Democratic Congressman Lloyd Doggett trying to talk to a constituent about health care reform. He says it was impossible.
The crowd certainly was angry. I suppose some might have had a negative reaction to the poster that said Lloyd Doggett, traitor to Texas, devil to all people. But I found it more amusing than I did something to be fearful of.
But he did call the crowd a mob, and he also claims it was orchestrated by the Texas Republican Party. As for the state GOP, it did admit to having a camera in the crowd thanks to an anonymous tip, but denied organizing what it called a grassroots event. Also telling me, Doggett owes us and them an apology for calling the crowd a mob. Just saying. Can we talk civilly?
We don't want them to yell and shout down people. We want them to try to talk to the congressman.
But some Democrats say Max Pappas's conservative group Freedom Works doesn't want that at all. Some claim it urges its thousands of members to participate not in a discussion about health care reform, but a shout down.
You get some instances where people are so passionate about what's going on that they get caught up in the emotions, and instead of having a civil discussion, they do start yelling or chanting. But that's only because they're passionate about this.
But Democrats say plenty of like-minded organizations want it to work out that way. That's why RecessRally.com lists where town hall meetings will be held, or why Operation Embarrass Your Congressman celebrates making lawmakers look foolish. Though you could argue those sites don't leave out Republicans. There is one senator who was shouted down himself at a town hall meeting, who says all of this doesn't matter.
My preference would be to have it more sedate, but listen, democracy is robust, can be rough and tumble, and nothing really surprises me anymore.
But other lawmakers are adjusting, holding teleconferences instead of town hall meetings and talking one-on-one with constituents at places like senior citizen centers. They say they want an intelligent conversation. Carol Costello, CNN, Washington.